Now, boy, don't be fooling with the tripod, son. I'm sitting on top of my couch. I'm Caleb with Woodshop, and today we're going to make this really cool Knick Knack rack out of some old growth spruce. Let's check it out. This rack is going to be relatively small since I only have 3 of these boards to make it out of. Its length is going to be 11.5 inches long, and I've got a stop block set up for that. The 2 shelves are going to be just a hair under 9.5 inches long. I'm setting up my 2 shelves. Any highfalutin woodworkers will probably be a little bit disappointed because I'm really just kind of eyeballing how I want the shelves to go. I want to make some dados for the shelves to go into. Now, in order to make sure that my dados line up on both sides, I've got a stop block set up for where I'm starting this cut, so I can make 1 cut on those, and then I can remove the stop block and slowly move down until I get a good fit. And I got this scrap here so I could test the fit. Could use my dado stack on this, but it's just a 1/2 inch wide, so I'm not going to bother. Now with those dados cut, I could do a test fit. Some pretty tight fitting dados. I'm happy with that. But before everything goes together, I would like to give this some kind of elegant, nice shape. I'm going to use some double-sided carpet tape to put these together. Really trying to make sure that my dados are lined up right. I think the design I'm going to go for gradual curve upwards. It'll kind of be the opposite. See, so up here it'll have the curve taken out, up here it'll have the curve going this way, so it's, you know, still a lot of stuff like that. I'm ripping down this board a little bit thinner to be kind of a decorative piece on the top of the rack. Strip for the top of the rack and this one for the bottom, and this one I will cut to length when I can separate these. I want them to go on the back, but I want them to be inset, so I've marked the locations for each one so I could cut, I guess, some dados or rabbits or whatever. And I don't need a stop block since these are different and I've already got them marked. Carpet tape is strong, you know. Carpet tape is strong, but I got it. These will go behind here like this, with a slight little overhang, and this piece will go under here. And it'll be cut the same exact width as this. Yeah. It's not bad, y'all. Okay, I decided to save y'all the tedium of sanding all these pieces. I sanded as much as I could, like these inside parts and stuff, before assembly. I just think that'll make things easier, and I'm ready to glue it up. I made it as far as getting the whole thing assembled, and I realized with the curves on the sides that I don't really care much for how this looks. It's just a rectangular piece on top, so I drew this little design that I'm going to cut out. I have some of these little shaker pegs laying around that I haven't really been able to use for anything, and I think they'll work perfectly on this. I think a great finish for this old growth spruce is Danish oil. Now, it's not big, and it's not meant to be big. It's just meant to hold a couple things, some knick-knack, boy, just some knick-knacks up there, and, well, why not? Anyway, alright, okay, take that spoon, but leave the cup alone. Children, man. And I'm glad I went back and added that little design element to the top, because it just didn't seem right. It's a very curvy project, so it didn't seem right to just have that top just straight. If you liked and enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, because I have new woodworking projects every Friday. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time. Pretty damn cool, huh?